Hello everyone, welcome to Excel with Priyanka series 4. So today is Sunday, weekend is going on. I hope everybody is enjoying the weekend. So good morning. Now today's session we will start with revising some of the important tips and the tricks of the previous session which we have discussed yesterday. So if you'll see our worksheet, we have calculated the grade percentage here. So grade percentage is, if you'll hit the F2 button, it's K8, that is, this is the cell address divided by this K5. We have logged the K5, and K5 is called the absolute cell reference number, because all over the entire cells here, this K5 remains constant for calculating this grade percentage. And if you'll see it here in total, if you'll hit the F2 button here, if you'll remove this, control enter, here, see if anything has changed, nothing changed, see. So yeah, F2, the sum is being calculated from the cell C8 to J8, and it keeps constantly moving from this cell to this cell, and the address automatically will get change of the cell. Now check it now. See here, C9 J9, C11 J11, similarly C13 J13. So this is called the relative cell reference number. Very important things: absolute cell reference number and relative cell reference number. Now we had discussed also about the selecting of the cell by two methods, with the help of a shift key as well as with the help of a control key. So with the help of a shift key, if you'll press the shift button and drag it till, see, control the shift button, and you'll see the entire pack of the cell is been selected. But if you'll remove from the shift button and then press the control button, now you can select whichever the cell you want to select. See, whichever the cell we want to select, we need to press it and the cell is getting selected. This is the two-way of selecting the cell, by control button and the shift button. See here, suppose we have selected this much of cell. In the active cell, whatever we will be writing here will enter into the active cell, which is there in the light color, white color. So if we want to type it here, love, as we need to spread love everywhere, control enter. See, the entire column is filled with love. Control Z, and with the help of control we are selecting whichever the cell. This is used for in email, in Power BI, everywhere. In email, whichever the email we want to delete, like take this, and then delete button. This way we'll delete the email whichever we want to delete it. Second is, this grade percentage formula is a single input output formula. Single input, single output formula. Why we call this a single input and a single output formula? The reason being, before the operator you see a single input, as well as after the operator you are seeing a single input. So single input here and single input there, and this will give a single output. So that is why this is a single input, single output formula. We call this as a. Now we will move to the next topic. We will learn a new function, that is round function. We are seeing it here that the number is looking little large and little absurd. It's very difficult to see that and understand these numbers. So we will understand, suppose we are after doing the number formatting, see how it looks. Do change it to percentage. See, it's already rounded to 2. We'll check, put the F2 button. No. So after formatting, it is looking like this. Already rounded to 2-digit number. Control Z, come back. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. It's back to the normal. Since the number is little larger, what we can do here is press the F2 button and we will apply a round function here. So immediately after the equal to character, we have to put the round function. Double click the round here, then comma, and put the digit you want to round to. I have kept 4, close the bracket, close and control enter. See, the digit now is rounded to 4 digit. Drag down till down and same formula has been applied till down. So this is about the rounding of the formula which we have seen. And next we will see is in yesterday's class we had discussed the weekdays. See, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and from Friday, Saturday, Sunday has been removed, and again starting with Monday, weekday. So yesterday we had seen weekdays and today we will be seeing the weekday. Weekday. This might be useful in the work you will be doing in your office. This may help you to minimize your work. And see, we'll put the Friday date. It was 19th of June 2026. Control enter. Drag it till here and see the date has been filled. But you see it here below, Monday is 28th of June. But it's not, this date is for the Saturday. So here we have to, again in this box, we have to click for the options, fill weekdays, and see the magic happening. What happened? See, on Friday it is 19th of June, Saturday, Sunday 21st has been removed, and Monday it has automatically taken 22nd of June. Here again you will see Friday is 26th of June and Monday will be Saturday, Sunday, that is 27th and 28th. The date has been automatically been removed and 29 is taken. Wow, I like this so much. Very helpful in making the reports. So this is all we have discussed. Next we will move to VLOOKUP. Suppose we want to calculate the decimal grade here. So we'll format it as these are. We'll select the format painter, hit it here, and it's done. I also want to apply a border here. Apply a border. It's done. Now for getting a decimal grade and applying to a VLOOKUP formula, we need to have a lookup table. So we will be creating here a lookup table. We will start with the number 0, tab 0, enter. See, the cell is automatically by entering got selected in the grade column below 0. Here we will start with 6.1, tab. Here I will put 0.7, enter. It's not, 6.01. I need to see here what we need to put here. Minimum we will take is 0.61. 0.61, as our grade percentage here is in point, so we will be taking it here in point. 0.61, 0.62, so 0.8. So here we are increasing it 0.01 and here by 0.1. So by using the fill handle, we will be making a lookup table by clicking it the crosshair circle till the time that 0.8 will become 4. Yes, one more. Done. 4. This lookup table is done. We'll apply the formula here. No, I want to apply a border as well. It should look like a table. And that is it. Here we'll fill the color as we are going to apply a formula there. And I like the cell to be filled with a color, with this color where formula is being applied, because by seeing we should get to know that okay, here the data is not just entered, the formula has been applied here. So this also format painter, and we'll apply all over. Done. Now we'll start with the VLOOKUP function. So first character will be equal to sign, VLOOKUP. Lookup value will be this. So beside this grade percentage, what will be the decimal grade? Comma, lookup range. I need to table array. I need to select like this. So by using the cursor or this mouse, I will be not going down. I will be using the keypad button. Control Shift and down. It will take you to the last cell or the row. You can go back to the active cell by control backspace. See, now comma. Next we have to mention the column index number, that is what is the column number of this decimal grade. So we have to find the grade, decimal grade for this grade percentage. So column number for this decimal grade is 2. For grade percentage it is 1 and for decimal grade it is 2. So we will enter here 2. We'll close the bracket, hit the control enter. See, it has captured. So 0.90 we will see, we'll check it manually. 0.90 is it is 3.6. So it has captured it correctly. We will check the other as well. Point for 0.88. For 0.88. For 0.88 is this 3.4. For 0.88 it is 3.4. So VLOOKUP formula is applied all over the cells here. So today we have learned the VLOOKUP also. Suppose we are not happy with this decimal grade, so I want to add extra credit to the numbers which is there. So for that we will write here extra credit, control enter. Instead of adding the number here, we will write it here, so that even after 2 days or after 2 weeks or after 2 months, we will open this sheet, we can remember that okay, we had added this extra credit. If you'll write it here, we will almost forget this. So this is the way of writing it separately. See, we'll do some here and there extra formatting for this. We'll apply a border. Done. Yes. and this format. See how formatting is useful to us. Done. Now we'll add it. Hit the F2 button, plus we'll select the cell we want to add, and we will lock this cell because I want this credit to be added to the entire cell in column K. F4, locked, control, enter. See, it's been added, the grade percentage is changed, and the decimal grade is changed also. We'll apply it over the cell. See, the entire grade and the entire grade percentage has been changed. And this is all for today's class. We have covered new things, that is VLOOKUP, very important formula in today's class. We have learned the round function, how to round it if the number is observed, how to round it, and we have learned the week dates, how to take this week dates instead of manually erasing and writing it correctly. So these are the topics which we have discussed today. I hope you like the videos, and please subscribe, like the video, subscribe the channel, and we'll see you in the next class. Thank you.